All right, starting on the pole, Scott Puma. Second is Jack. Third is Ed. Fourth is Will. Fifth is Jeff Roy. Drivers ready?
Yes, sir.
Marshall's ready. In less than 5. And we're underway. Final race of the night. We got quite the debacle on the first lap here. It's been crash after crash after crash. So it's Jack taking the lead on the first lap. Will's in second. Ed's in third. Looks like we got that vintage RC10 coming around in fourth.
17-3. 17-7.
All right, done with 2 laps. It's still Jack in the lead with Ed Som in second. Will's up to third. Scott is in fourth. Jeff Roy's in fifth.
16-0. 13-6.
Fast lap of the race is with Scott Puma with a 13.64. Nobody else is in the 13s.
15-7. 14-7.
We'll finish up with 5 laps now. Jack is still in the lead. Ed in second. Will Blank is in third. Scott Puma is in fourth. Jeff Roy's in fifth.
15-9. 15-6.
13.64 still holding up his fast lap with Scott Puma. Jack is down to a 14.0. Ed's done a 14.6. Jeff's got a 15.8. Will Blank's got a 15.6. Oh, Will just did a 15.4. 8 laps down now. Jack's still in the lead with Ed second. Will's rounding out the podium there with that vintage truck.
6 minutes left.
2 down, 6 to go, drivers. Jack breaks down into the 13.8s with a fast lap. Scott's still holding fast lap of the race with a 13.6.
15-2.
All right, finishing up 10 laps now. Jack in the lead, Ed in second, Will in third.
18-0. 14-1. 14-4.
Puma's still in fourth with the fast lap of the race with a 13.59.
14-3.
Balko and double it on that line.
Coming up on 3 minutes down, drivers.
Thank you.
5 minutes left.
14-4.
3 down, 5 to go.
7.
Still got Jack in the lead, just finishing up 13 laps. Will's coming down
14-7.
second place now. Scott Puma's moved up to third.
17-2. 16-1.
Ed's dropped down to fourth.
14-3.
Oh, how the hell did I do that?
16-5. 19-9.
Step the shit, rolling rows.
14-3. 16-2. 17-3.
Coming up on 4 minutes down, halfway.
14-5.
Jack's still in the lead.
4 minutes left.
Just finished up 17 laps. Ed Som now back up to second with 15 laps.
14-7.
Will's right behind him with 15 laps. Just finishes 16th.
17-4.
Puma's right behind him.
16-4. 22-0. 14-8. 15-3.
Ed Som now breaking into the 13-second range with the fast lap.
15-0.
So it's Scott Puma with a 13.59.
16-1.
Jack with a 13.86.
14-5.
Ed with a 13.95.
15-2.
We got Will and Jeff in the 15s.
14-3.
Coming up on 5 minutes down, 3 to go, drivers.
18-9. 15-4. 16-1. 14-7.
Jack's got a comfortable commanding lead. He's got a lap on the field. Ed's still in second.
14-6.
Here comes Will in third place.
14.
Puma right behind him in fourth.
7.
And then we got Jeff is a couple laps down from there.
17-0. 15-9. 16-1. 19-6.
Oh, Jeff with mechanical problems out of the race.
13-5. 14-0.
Ed with a big side slide.
That's all right. Good effort, good effort.
All right, we're coming up on 6 minutes down. 2 to go, 2 to go.
15-3.
Jack's still up with a lap of the field.
2 minutes left.
15-7.
Ed's in second. Puma's now in third. Will's dropped down to fourth.
15-1.
Puma takes over second place now.
Nope, I took over.
16-0. 14-0.
Top 3 drivers all clicking off laps in the 13 range.
6.
Jack's completed 27 laps. Ed just did 26. Puma just did 26 right behind him.
16-6.
And here comes Will with the vintage truck finishing up 26 laps.
15-8. 14-9.
7 minutes down, 1 minute to go, drivers. 1 minute. Ed catching some big air.
9.
Taking some yellow paint off the pipe, too.
I noticed there was some dirt on my wheels. I want to clean them up.
Nicely done. Jack's out for the Sunday drive now.
16-2.
Just finishing up 30 laps. Ed just finished 28. Puma 28. Will 28.
14-0.
Scott Puma moves to second place now. 29 laps. Ed's right behind him.
Well, Scott and I can't really decide who wants the position. We keep giving it back and forth.
14-6.
Apparently Ed does. He got it on that lap. 7:45 down. 15 seconds to go.
15-8.
6 seconds to go.
15-3. 15-4.
Last lap, drivers. Jack with a comfortable lead. Scott's in second. We'll see what happens at the line.
Car 5 is done.
Will, you are
Car
done.
2 is done.
Puma takes
Car
down
2
second
is done.
place.
Car 1 is done.
Ed in third. Jack takes a comfortable win. And Will brings the vintage truck home in fourth place. Final event of the night, gentlemen. See you next Wednesday.